Welcome back, and let's go ahead and start off with current temperatures and conditions around the area. Another warm start to the day and a cloudy one for most of our area. Sunny skies for parts of Centerville. 66 degrees for them. Our warmest right now in Macon, 71 degrees with overcast conditions. But we are going to be starting off with some patchy fog this morning around the area, and that's going to be lasting until around the 8 a.m. hour. So let's go ahead and take a look at some regional visibility and around the area. Just about 5 miles of visibility for Kirksville, Ottumwa, as well as Fairfield, but just north of Ottumwa, a little bit less for visibility thanks to some heavier fog, patchy fog in those areas. But otherwise, we're looking at these skies getting a little bit clearer before we start to bring our next chance for some rain into the area. But I want to point out the dew point today. We're actually not going to be feeling as warm as we felt the other few days, even though our dew point temperatures are going to be up towards the upper 60-degree range. Our relative humidity values are actually only in towards the lower 60 to 50, upper 50 percentile range. So there is some moisture in the air, but not enough that is going to be making it feel as sticky and as heavy as we felt yesterday. And that's thanks to the moisture that's going to blow on in thanks to the rain chances. And we're going to see that wash the humidity out until we head into tomorrow. That's when it's going to jump right back on up and make it feel even warmer than the 90 degrees we're expecting tomorrow. But as for today, we're going to start off with mostly cloudy and overcast conditions, temperatures in the 70s. And then as we head into the noon hour, we're going to start to see chances for isolated showers, potentially isolated thunderstorms as well, moving in. And a high temperature today, very early in our afternoon hours, about 82 degrees around that 1 to 2 p.m. hour. And then things are going to start to cool back down, getting down towards 80 degrees by 4 p.m. and 6 p.m., keeping with those thunderstorm chances, about a 30% chance through most of our afternoon hours. And then things start to move back out by the time we get in towards 8 p.m. So what can we expect through tonight? So going to see pretty cloudy skies at 8 p.m., but that's about when we're going to see things starting to change. Things are going to start to clear on out. We're going to start to get mostly clear skies into the area tonight, and temperatures are going to fall down to very, very seasonable conditions. 65 degrees for our overnight low with mostly clear skies, and that's going to give way to a very, very sunny start to the day on Thursday. But unfortunately, it is going to be a warm one on Thursday, and then Thursday night into Friday morning, we're going to start to see chances for some potentially strong storms, maybe even something severe, thanks to our outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. A slight risk over parts of southeast Iowa, and then a marginal risk over the rest of us here in northeast Missouri and the southernmost portions of southeast Iowa. However, when we jump into our futurecast, we're really looking at the areas of the strongest storms focusing just off towards our east, but they could slide a little bit farther west thanks to a low pressure system, and that's why we have that slight risk outlook over part of southeast Iowa. But let's go ahead and jump on into our service map and find out exactly when we can expect some type of thunderstorm potential today, and that's going to happen right about that 1 to 2 p.m. hour. A bunch of just isolated, scattered thunderstorms and showers are going to be what's happening today, just a bunch of pop-up ones. And then heading in towards about that 6 p.m. hour, a couple stronger cells moving in towards Macon, Lynn, and Shelby counties. However, that's just going to cycle on back to the south as we head in towards that 8, 9 p.m. hour, and things are going to start to clear on out of here as we head into Thursday. Sunny skies to start on Thursday, but we are going to see the cloud cover building and the rain chances building heading in towards the evening hours. And lining up with the slight risk outlook there is that storm system that spawn the slight risk outlook for southeast Iowa. Right now, models still indicating that it's going to hold off towards our east and not decide to slide down into the heartland area. But we are going to be getting ready for more rain moving in later in towards the weekend. So let's go ahead and jump on into our second model here, taking a look at later this work week into the weekend. And a lot of scattered showers for parts of Friday morning, and then heading into the weekend, sunny skies on Saturday. And to start on Sunday, we are going to see sunny skies as well. But looking up to the north, here comes our next rain chance, moving in later in the evening later in the morning on Sunday, extending into the afternoon hours, and then we're going to start to bring in more showers later Sunday night. As for rainfall amounts now that we could be expecting through Sunday, it's not a lot. We're going to be looking at maybe about a ½ of an inch at most around the area. Very, very sporadic isolated showers, so we're not going to see consistent rain chances throughout our area as we head in towards the weekend. And as for our extended forecast, very comfortable conditions over the weekend. 86 and sunny Saturday, 83 and mostly sunny on Sunday before those storm chances return on Sunday as well. Now stick with us. Tech Bites is coming up next.